Paper on Comparative Study of Dihydroxyacetone Production by Gluconobacter species and Bacillus species isolated from fruit source. Our unique ID number is MRP 223. Myself, I am Dr. Pradyna Joshi, Principal of Sonawane College, and my co-author is Devram. He is Head Department of Microbiology. Dihydroxyacetone is one of the compounds which is used in many industries like cosmetic industry, where it is used as a sunglass or tanning agent. Then it is used in pharmaceuticals. It is used in food industries as a nutritional supplement in some products. It is used in pharmaceuticals where it is one of the compound which is used for anti-malarial drug also. The dihydroxyacetone is produced by microorganisms by oxidation of glycerol. In this pathway, it is produced by many microorganisms. The organisms like Gluconobacter, Bacillus, Acetomonas and other species like Candida is responsible for production of such compound. My colleague Ajay will continue further.
Now let's come to the materialization method. We are going to isolate the organism using natural sample. For that purpose, we have used a sample fully ripened apple. In different media, we use was glucose ethanol, acetic acid medium, and isolation medium we use was glucose ethanol, calcium carbonate agar. The colonies showing the growth on calcium carbonate agar are clearing the zone around the colony, and that's why we have used both the species of Gluconobacter and Bacillus for the production of the dihydroxyacetone. The production of dihydroxyacetone is done by using nutrient medium containing the glycerol and acidic conditions. Immobilization is done by using calcium alginate beads. Identification and estimation of dihydroxyacetone is done by using Sonawane test, using paper chromatography, using N-butanol pyridine water 10:3:3 solvent system. Now let's come to the results and discussions. Gluconobacter and Bacillus species both are used for the production of dihydroxyacetone. Gluconobacter is a gram variable oxidase negative non-endospore forming organism, whereas the Bacillus is a gram positive, catalase positive, oxidase positive and able to grow less than 7% of NaCl. Let's come to the yield obtained by the intact and free cells of the Gluconobacter and Bacillus. Gluconobacter, this is able to produce 85.38 gram per liter of the dihydroxyacetone, whereas Bacillus species is able to produce dihydroxyacetone 72.42%. The graph is showing the exact difference between the Gluconobacter and Bacillus species. Gluconobacter shows higher yield as compared to the Bacillus. Now let's come to the production by the immobilized cells. Immobilized calcium alginate cells of the Gluconobacter shows high yield. It is about 95.38 gram per liter, whereas Bacillus shows 84.47 gram per liter of dihydroxyacetone production. Gluconobacter yield is more as compared to the immobilized Bacillus cells. This is a graph showing the exact difference between the intact and free cells of the both Gluconobacter and Bacillus species. Gluconobacter species shows high yield as compared to the Bacillus. Now let's come to the conclusion. In comparison to the Bacillus, Gluconobacter is a good source for the production of dihydroxyacetone. It can be used for the industrial production. This method is eco-friendly, cheaper, microbial method as compared to the chemical method. Thus, we can use immobilized cells for the large scale production of the DHA on industrial basis. This is all information. These are the references. Few references. This is all information regarding our research paper. Thank you so much.